Hi guys, so today we're going to be learning how to turn a drawing into a CAD file, so a computer-aided design file. Okay, so then we can use that file and we can make a design using the laser cutter, which is CAM, computer-aided manufacture. Okay, so I've drawn the picture on the board, and then I have taken a photograph of it, and then I've gone to my email and I've just clicked on it, right click, and I'm going to copy and paste it into here. So we've got this design here, and I'm going to shrink it down a little bit further. Okay, so I think the page is set to A3. Just check that again. Setup, drawing, and layout. And yeah, it's A3, so we're going to change it to A2. That's the size of the material that we're going to use today. That's okay, and then just place it into the corner. You can do it in the middle for now. And then you're going to zoom in slightly, and then we're going to change this image, which is a bitmap image. It says bitmaps here. It's made of bits or pixels. You're going to turn this into vector lines. Okay, so to do that, you need to click onto bitmaps and then go to vectorize bitmap. Click on the image, and then it will take you to this screen. Okay, so we're going to click on monochrome, so that just makes everything black or see-through. So we're going to go through, and we're going to get the best part of it. So you've got to change the luminance, go that way it's too black, that way it's too invisible. So you need to go there, press OK, and you get your image like that. So then next step, once you click on the image using the arrow key, go to fill and then no fill, and it's going to make a silhouette. I'm going to get rid of this excess part that we don't need, and I thought we'll leave that for now. And then I want to make some little bridges in between these because there's a gap, just so when we make an outline around the edge, it doesn't go inside of it. There, there, there. That might be it. And then we're going to do a contour, which you click onto there, click on contour, change it to 2mm, press OK, and then click on the edge, and it will do an outline like that. As you can see, there must be a gap somewhere along here because it's not going fully around the image. So just check, zoom in. I think it's there. See, there's a little gap here. If I join that there now, hopefully this will work. Press OK. And might be another old mistake there. Okay, so zoom in and think it's there. See, there's a little tiny gap there. That should do it. Hopefully, anyway. Contour, click. And it's gone inside again. So I'm going to click onto there and go to edit, explode, continue, and then click onto that center part and get rid of those. Okay, so now we've got, I'm going to get rid of those bits. So now we've got your design here, and we want to have the outside part to be cut out and the inside to be engraved, so just mark the material. Okay, so we'll send this over to the laser cutter, which is a piece of CAM machinery, and then we're going to cut out these mascots. Put one on on your box, and then the next, the smaller one will go into your book or on your bag, or you can take it home. Okay, and I want you to explain the process of CAD and CAM of what we learned today.